Welding careers are growing at a rapid rate, with close to 50,000 new jobs in demand every year. The Empower Capital campaign helps Southeast Community College provide access to the life-changing benefits of higher education and the technical training needed to help meet the workforce shortage. The new Welding Technology Center will be located on the Lincoln campus and will serve as a central hub for individuals and employers in Lincoln and the surrounding communities for years to come. This facility will allow safe, efficient, and valuable training opportunities for in-demand careers in the welding industry.
To get more trained and skilled welders out of the SCC program for welding, we could really use more space because, for example, when you first start out, you started with OA and stick. And if we had more space for those, we could onboard more people into introductory level welding courses.
By investing in the SCC Empower Capital campaign, you can help give students expanding opportunities, faculty progressive resources, and Nebraska employers a resilient workforce.
I chose the welding program here at SCC because it's an accredited testing facility, which means they have the resources and they have the instructor know-how, and they follow a set of guidelines in order to ensure that you're learning standardized welding. Here at SCC, the thing I enjoy most are the instructors. I feel that they're really friendly, they're really wicked smart, they're knowledgeable in their field, they're good at what they do, and they really want you to succeed.
Help us to educate, empower, and employ Nebraska. Learn more at empowerscc.com.